Hello friends, today I am going to show you another game by Mikhail Tal. On white side is Mikhail Tal and on black side is Pirc Petrosian. Petrosian was also world champion. This game was played in the year 1974 and Tal starts with knight to f3, the ready opening, g6, e4, bishop g7, d4 and now d6. Black goes for the Pirc defense. Knight to c6, knight to c3, knight to f6, bishop e2 and now castling. Tal also castled on king side, and here knight to c6, d5. Here knight has two good squares. One is knight to b4 and second is knight to b8. Here Petrosian plays knight to b8 and rook to e1, developing the rook on the central file, and e5, d takes on e6, en passant, bishop takes on e6 and now bishop to f4, h6, knight d4 attacking the bishop, bishop d7. Now queen d2 attacking the h6 pawn second time, and here king to h7 supporting the pawn on h6 second time. Here e5, d takes on e5, bishop takes on e5 and now knight e4, knight e4 attacking the queen, knight takes on e4, bishop takes on e5 and now knight to f3. Here Petrosian takes back the bishop on g7 and rook a to d1, pinning the bishop. Here black must be careful. If here black plays bishop captures on b2, then knight to c5 will lose a piece. So here Petrosian played queen to c8, unpinning the bishop, and now here bishop to c4, bishop to e8 supporting the f7 pawn, and now Tal plays amazing sacrifice on g5 square. Knight to g5 check. King to h8 is good for black, but here Petrosian accepts the sacrifice. H takes on g5, knight takes on g5 check, king to g8 and now queen to f4. Here Tal's idea is to play queen to h4 and deliver a checkmate on h7. So here Petrosian plays knight to d7. Here Petrosian wants to play knight to f6 and support the h7 square. But here amazing sacrifice comes by Tal. Rook captures on d7, removing the defender. Here bishop captures on d7, and here Tal made a move and Petrosian designed. You can pause the video and find the winning move. Here Tal played bishop capture on f7, check, and here Petrosian designed. Because of this configuration, rook captures on f7, queen captures on f7, check, king h8, queen cross g6, threatening checkmate on h7. If here bishop to f5, then knight to f7, check, king to g8, knight to h6, check, and after king to h8, knight captures on f5, and here the mate is not stoppable. So after bishop capture on f7, Petrosian designed. What a wonderful game by Mikhail Tal. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my videos, and do not forget to comment on my video. Thank you.